Are you struggling working out how to market yourself online and get clients? Do you feel like you're spinning your wheels, trying everything that you can, but you just can't get the traction that you desire? But would you like to be able to create a predictable, sustainable, and scalable income online? Well, if that's you, then stay tuned because I'm going to go through the most important thing that you have to have in place when you start out marketing yourself online. Hi, I'm Donna Joy from Social Media Bomb. My business partner Steph and I help online experts, coaches, and service providers build out their client getting machine. Now, the biggest mistake that we see our clients coming to us with is that they haven't laid their foundation correctly before they've started. They've just jumped into online marketing. They've started creating a lead generation or an opt-in, doing Facebook ads because that's what they've heard you need to be doing. But because they haven't done their foundation correctly, they're wasting an awful lot of time and money because they're just not having any results. So what is your foundation? How do you set it up? It's very, very important you do this before you start anything else. Otherwise, what you're building is kind of like building a house on sand. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, but it's an awful lot of time and energy that you're spending if you don't know if it's going to work or not. So your foundation consists of 5 main things. That's what we teach. The first thing that you need is what you're selling. Now that may seem counterintuitive to a lot of you, but there's so many people that we see out online who just want to make money online because they hear that you can do it, but they don't know what they're selling. So you need to know what you're selling. So as online experts, coaches, and service providers, you're pretty sure you have either an expertise that you're sharing with people, you're helping people, you're doing something for them, so you know what you're selling. Now, the second thing that you need to know is who you're selling that to. Who is your avatar? What are their pains? What are their frustrations? What are their dreams? What are their desires? Now, you may have just rolled your eyes and said, yes, I know that. But do you really know that? I mean, do you know how important this is? Because so many people just rush through it thinking that they already know who their avatar is, but they've got it wrong because they haven't done their research. So what they think is their avatar's main pain and frustration isn't. So when they're creating stuff, they're not talking to the avatar, or they're not actually solving their avatar's problems, and therefore they're not going to get any traction. So take time out to research them. Find out who they are, what they want, what their deepest, most innermost desire is. And then you can craft things specifically for them that are going to speak to them. And this is so important because as soon as you start trying to create an opt-in or even doing the landing page for that opt-in, speaking to that person, trying to get them to take your opt-in, you need to know exactly what buttons to push, what to say that's going to make them want your opt-in enough to give you their email. When you're creating Facebook ads, you need to be creating content for them, but you also need to be creating copy that speaks to them, that makes them stop. It's like a flame to a moth that's going to draw them into you. You need to be like a voice that's in their head talking to them, okay? So that's how deeply you need to know your avatar. And the more you know your avatar, the more success that you're going to have finding clients online. Now, the third thing you need is your offer. Now, you may think that, well, I know what I'm selling, but your offer is different. So it's how you're selling what you're selling, how you're packaging it up. Is it going to be one-on-one coaching? Is it going to be group coaching? Is it going to be a membership program? Is it going to be do you help them with their website? What is the offer? How much is it? How long does it go for? You need to know all of these things so that you're not confused when you're talking to your prospect. If you're confused, they're confused. And the golden rule of marketing is that a confused person will always say no. So you need to know exactly what it is that you're offering. Now, don't think that this can't change over time as you grow, as your business grows, and as you learn. Your offer is going to change, your price points are going to change, and you may bring in different things to complement what your primary offer was. But that's the exciting part about marketing. We can always grow and morph as we do. Now, the fourth thing that you need is your messaging. Now, your messaging is your message to your market. It needs to be consistent. So it consists of, for instance, the mission statement. So what you heard part of our mission statement before when I said who I was helping, which was online experts, coaches, service providers, and how we were helping them build out their client getting machine. Our full mission statement says that they can create a predictable, sustainable, and scalable income online. Then the next part is, well, how are you going to do that? So we teach a 3-step process where we take them through that builds on the information that they have so that they're building out their client getting machine, which is their marketing model. So that's our message. We use that consistently when we're talking. We're always coming back to that. There's a rule of 7 that says, a rule of 7 that says that people have to be exposed to you an average of 7 times before they're going to commit to you. Now it's an average, so some people may jump the first time, some people may be watching you for years before they do anything, okay? But if your message is not consistent, then it's not like you have put yourself in front of them 7 times. If every time you come at them you're saying something different because you're confused about what your offer is, or you're wishy-washy about what you're actually going to do for them, then you're not actually triggering those 7 points, this average 7 points. Or every time they see you, they may not even recognize who you are because your message is so different. Okay, so you have to have your message really nailed in and then be consistent with that. Now, your message may change as you grow as well. That's perfectly okay, but you need to work out exactly what it is now, who you want to help, how you want to help them, and then what you stand for, okay? Work that out now and then run with that and be true and consistent with that. Now, the last thing that you need to have in your foundation is belief in yourself. You need to believe in yourself. Okay, that's so hard when you're starting out because we have all this fraud complex and mind drama going on. But you need to realize that when you're first starting out, that being an expert is more important than expertise. That just because you haven't got the experience, it doesn't mean that you can't help people, okay? So believe in yourself and build that belief. Now, that's going to be something that you'll need to keep growing as you grow, as your business grows, as you reach new milestones. You're going to have to keep building that belief in yourself. So that is a never-ending process of mind work. Okay, so that's the 5 foundational steps that we teach that you need to have together before you start marketing yourself online. Now, if you liked this video, please post a like below, and if you're on YouTube, go and subscribe to our channel so that you can get our tips and tricks and our weekly videos coming out. If you're on YouTube, also beneath this video, there's going to be a link that's going to take you to our 3-step process foundational training. So if that sounds like something's interesting, it's going to build on what I spoke about today, go into more detail, but then build on it and tell you the next 2 steps that you need as well to successfully market yourself online. So I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you in the next video.